So guys, welcome to my channel today. You're welcome to the channel. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, 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 like my content, share my content. So something just happened, something crazy just happened. I had already did some session, but I didn't record. So I'm not happy. I'm just smiling. So please subscribe to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Turn on your notifications so that you will be notified when I release my content, and you'll be among the first people to view it. And also please share this content, help me build this content. I'm more of an educationist, teaching people how the real deal in Forex. I'm not here to manipulate. I'm here at my own pace, my own time, at the level I am now and the level I aspire to become. So this is like a self journey. I'll be talking about the real deal in the market. This is what is happening in the market, not the gimmicks. I'm not here to sell, to sell you a dream. Yes, you have a dream. I have a dream. I'm not here to sell you any of that. I'm here to tell you the real deal. Dream is good. Having something you're working on is good. You understand? So I expect you have all those things. But if you don't have them, but for this video, I'm going to be talking about BTC. I'm going to be projecting BTC, projecting Euro USD, projecting gold. I'm going to be I might project other pairs depending on how lengthy this video is. I don't want this video to be lengthy at all. I want it to be straight forward. And, I believe that you guys are going to learn a lot from this, especially if you're serious about your financial freedom. Yeah. So if you're serious about your financial freedom, I commend this video to you. Please watch this video. Wait to the end. I have something very, very important to tell you. Just wait to the end. Yeah. Thank you very much. Once again, you're welcome to today's webinar. I'm going to be doing a recap or market recap on BTC. I'm going to be doing market recap on gold. I'm going to be doing market recap on Euro USD. And I'm going to show you what trade I'm on. The market has been quite chubby, but we are able to extract some pips, and we were able to do some little thing in the market. All right, guys. I'm going to be sharing my screen about now. Just kindly confirm if you can see my screen. Yeah, I expect you guys to see my screen. If you can't see my screen, but you can see me. Yes, you can see my screen. Thank you very much for tuning in. So we have Euro USD. I'm going to talk about Euro USD last. So let me start by okay. So I've been on this bad boy. I've been on Eurgbp for the longest. Eurgbp is crazy, bro. This guy is crazy, man. I really love this guy. So what formed my action, towards trading this guy? What did I see? So this is the daily time frame. On the weekly time frame, I saw this guy around here. I actually, what the hell is happening? When I saw this guy here, I thought to myself, what the hell this guy is happening? So this guy went up, came back down to do a retesting. Now this guy is going back up. So no too much, no plenty. I didn't stress myself. It didn't take me about 5 minutes to spot this. So after doing this, I went down to my daily time frame. I plotted my levels. I plotted my my trend line. Market broke my trend line, came back, do some retesting shenanigans rather. Yeah, shenanigans. So it did this. So I said, okay, no problem. I was still monitoring the market. I drew this guy. I told myself that, okay, let me not be in a haste, because sometimes most traders get excited. Let me not be in a haste. Let me allow this market to break this level. The market break this level. It came back. My God, this was when I was firing the entry. I have the screenshot on my Telegram channel. The screenshot of my entry. So my first take profit was this level here. Excuse me. My first take profit was this level here. So when the market came here, I took my profits. I took my profit because I know that the overall movement of the market is here. So the pips movement from here to this place is about 250 to 260 pips. So it's a lot of pips. And I want to manage my trade and I want to manage my money and I want to make maximum profit. So there's no, what's it called? There's no award. We are here to make money. We are here to make money. I'm not in competition with anybody. We are here to make money. So I like trading level to level, level to level, level to level. So and also I'm a swing trader. So I held this position for let's say about 2 weeks. I can't remember. 2 weeks. So I'll still enter. I entered another position on Friday here around this level. Once upon the break of this level, I entered it on Friday. My stop losses are here. Okay. I think people will want to be seeing something like this. First entry, second entry. So the market is really, really juicy. This is what happened. Yeah, this is what happened. So the stop loss is quite big. Uh, yes, this is better, please. This is better. So yeah, this is what happened in the market. This is exactly what I did on Eurgbp. Yeah, so this is very simple and straightforward. No too much, not too much. Plenty English. This is what I want the market. This is what I expect the market to do. This is what I expect the market to do. So let me move over to BTC. Hmm. All right. I did some analysis here. Like, guys, you guys, oh, I'm not happy. Oh my God, guy. I recorded this video and I know that I've been dishing out something substantial for 20 minutes. I just found out that I didn't press record. Quite annoying. But it's fine, it's fine. So what we are expecting is BTC is on a sorry. I've already drawn my chart, yeah. So maybe subsequently I will do something like a free chart so that I'll do fresh analysis. So what I'm doing is market recap, not analysis. You understand? I'm recapping what happened. However, yeah, it can be called analysis because I'm also projecting to the next week, weekly to the next week, to the next month, So I'll have to do that. Yeah, I'll have to work on that. Or type on the comments what you want me to talk about. Type on the comments what you want me to talk about, which content you want me to do. Yeah. So I have quite some topics for you guys, recap, psychology, risk management, the real deal. I'm not here to sell anything. I'm not here to nothing of that such. I am here as a real deal. So if I hit stop loss, I'm going to tell you guys that I hit stop loss. So I have a Telegram channel where I dish out this information. So if you're new here, subscribe to this channel, join my Telegram channel, follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok. I'm on TikTok. I'm going to be doing that on the description. So please be here. All right. So for Bitcoin, the fate of Bitcoin is in the fate of Bitcoin rests in the shoulders of a young man. His name Chooks Anthony. Yay! Yeah, Bitcoin. I'm here to save the Bitcoin industry. I'm here to save the Bitcoin in the crypto industry, from bleeding. Okay. So I did this ideally. So I'm going to start afresh. How did I came about this? I'm going to start afresh. How did I? Let me delete this. Let me delete this. So what's happening? Bitcoin is printing what we call a potential double top. So Bitcoin is printing a double top pattern. A double top is one of the class of reversal pattern, that stand the test of time, that stood the test of time. And if this guy is telling you, hey, watch, especially on a higher time frame, you saw on the weekly time frame that it's printing, it's rejecting, it's refusing to go up. It's refusing to go up. It's wanting to go up, but it's refusing to go up. So it has told us that, okay, I want to go up. And, BTC came to $110,000 per coin. So that's the highest BTC has ever gone through. 110,000 dollars per coin. So, and the market is refusing to break. It's refusing to break. And what I'm saying here, so I drew something before you saw this. So what you're seeing now is very, very crucial. So what I'll do now, I'll do my trend line, draw a mini trend line, put this, I want this market to break this. So if BTC breaks this level here, if this guy break this level, we are first level target is $91 per coin. First level target is $91 per coin. Overall level target is 90 uh okay $79,000 per coin. So this is what we are looking at. However, if this market still goes down, like this guy is still going down, we are going to be looking at $70,000 per coin. This is going to drop down to $70,000 per coin. So I have all this level marked out. I am ready for this guy. I am ready to take the life of Peters. I'm ready to. What am I ready to? Please don't mind me. Don't mind me. I'm just high this morning. I'm just high. I'm not high like high. I'm just in high spirits. Please. I'm in high spirits. Yes. Um, before I go and see my name now somewhere, or maybe Easter Block or all these online influencers will be like, breaking news, trader. Oh my God. A lot of things can happen, but it's fine. So for BTC, the fate of BTC rests on this level that I just drew now. If the markets refuse to break this minor level here and shows up, gives us a bullish imprint pattern. We know that BTC is ready to go on a high level, but for now, BTC is looking bearish. First confluence, first confluence is multiple week rejection. That's creating a double top pattern on the weekly time frame. Second confluence is the break of the minor bullish trend line. Yes. Then the third level is the retesting of that trend line. Then it's over, guys. It's over for you guys. It's over. Then BTC is going to be surging down to the downside like mad. But for now, we are very optimistic and we believe that Bitcoin is going to rally to the upside. We want to make profits. Either ways, I'm good to go. If BTC rallies up to the upside, I will just wait for BTC to break above $110,000 per coin, then I'll be ready to make my bullish entries. But for now, by keeping my fingers crossed, bearish move to the downside. Then let me move to Ethereum. Yes. So you see what Ethereum is printing. Ethereum refused to break $2,800 per coin. So the market refused to break this level. I wanted the market to break this level and go up. You understand? Hence why I drew this level, because I've been catching the market level by level, level by level. So I wanted this market to break here. I caught this movement to the upside, and upon seeing this rejection, I just left the market. Yeah. So I have this charts, all these analysis I've been talking about. I have them in my record, like screenshotted record. You understand? I didn't do a video for them. I didn't do a video for them. I don't have a video evidence of all this analysis. However, I have the screenshotted evidence. You understand? So I thought to myself, why not do a video recorded, so it will be there. If market hits my stop loss, that's fine. If it hits take profit, that's fine. So trading is not about making money. It's a system. It has to do with your mindset, So if you're able to decode that mindset thing, you'll become a superman when it comes to trading. You don't necessarily need to have all the apparatus, so far as you have your system, you have your phone, you're good to go, So that's why you need to be successful in this business: education, system, and internet, and your phone, for your phone for snapping yourself or screenshotting your trades, system for proper analysis, then remember what you need: education. Education is very, very important. Not just anyhow education, solid education. And education doesn't come easy. You went to school, I'm in Nigeria, for crying out loud. So I went to school for 4 years. I paid school fees for 4 years. Yeah? I went to school for 4 years. If you're doing your master's, you will pay school fees. So if you're paying school fees, that amount of fees for, just for going to school, then when it comes to investing in your life, in your financial freedom, that means you need to pay more, but my fee is not that expensive. I will be doing a promotional video soon, shortly. But for now, let's focus on this content. This content are free. If you want to learn from it, that's fine. You send a DM, then I'll reply you. Please beware of scammers. Beware of scammers. I'm not going to chat you. And as much as I'm still coming up in the industry, I'm not going to chat you. I've been able to build my brand, my integrity all over the period of years I've been trading, without having an online presence. So I'm not going to send you a message. Disclaimer, please don't fall victim of scam. All right, thank you very much. And so for this guy, this bad boy, so it's very clear that this guy wants to drop to the downside. Yeah, but I'm still looking at this market. I have nothing to say. I've projected, so anything BTC is doing, this guy will just replicate. If BTC is bullish, this guy is bullish. So I'm not doing anything. What I do is, once I check BTC, I'll just check this guy. If I see a good pattern here, I enter. If I don't see, I'll just wait. So BTC and Ethereum, I basically do the same thing there. There's no how I'll be bearish on BTC and be bullish on Ethereum. It can't happen. It can't happen. Never. I will be bullish on both and bearish on both. So that's it for now. Then for gold, one of the crazy thing about gold is defeating. the law of gravity. You remember the law of gravity? The law of gravity states that everything that goes up will come down. But gold is not coming down. But God is not coming down. Wait till they happen. You guys should beg this guy to come down. So what is happening in the market is a lot of investors have, kept their money in gold. They kept gold is a safe haven for investors. They want the mindset of every investor is to make money. Not just to make money, to make a maximum return, and they need security. They want to be sure that where they're keeping their money, the money is going to grow, is going to appreciate. So that's what they want. And an average investor will not keep his money where it is not being where he's not going to make the most money out of it. So that's what is happening to gold. Gold is just bullish, just bullish. A lot of investors, they are really, 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 really happy with gold's performance over the period of since last year, 2024. So gold has just been bullish, 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 and gold has refused to come down. However, in this video, I am sensing that the same pattern I spoke about, BTC, gold is making what we call this is a triple top. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this level is holding gold. Gold wants to break this level, but this level is holding gold. And gold got to 3 $3,500 dollars per ounce, and the market is refusing to go up. So I feel like if this market breaks above this 3,439, let's say $439 per ounce, it's going to go to $3,600 per ounce. So this is the level of gold. But for now, based on chart pattern and based on reversal pattern, based on knowledge, I am sensing a potential bearish movement to the downside. So gold might want to come to do a retesting of this level, and this level at three $3,150 per ounce. So this is the level gold wants to retest. How do I know? Because of one chart pattern. If you check your daily time frame, 1, 2, 3. So there's a level here. Gold wants to come here. However, if gold breaks this minor bullish trend line, trust me, gold is bleeding down to the downside. And I'll be expecting this market to come here so I can ride this guy to the upside. Seriously, I want to ride gold. I want to catch this guy. I traded gold last year, November, and gold gave me 600 pips. Crazy for me, but it's not that deep. Gold can give you more, and also gold can collect more. Gold can collect more. I'm skeptical about this, but I'll just be there. I don't rush trade. I do not rush trade. Please, guys, don't rush your trade. Just allow your trade. You know what you're seeing in the market. If you don't have anything you're seeing in the market, don't check it. Don't do it. Don't force your trade. Don't be in a haste. Just wait for the market. It's better to conserve your money than donate to the market. So don't do that. Yeah. And I think that's all for gold. Then I spoke about Euro USD. Euro. So I can't say anything without speaking on the genesis of this reversal pattern. So we are the overall pattern is bearish. You can see it from the on time, from time memorial. So you can see that it is bearish. However, we have some little thing that that we're looking up to. So we are going to focus on just this since 2021, this movement here. So the genesis of this movement happened in 2021, and we saw gold rally to the downside, making thousands and thousands of pips to the downside. But the gold refused to come here. I wanted gold to do a retracement, third leg here, but it didn't happen, which was quite sad. I wasn't happy. I'd already thought about a very nice, place I'm gonna chill after making some huge Benjamins. Mm, it is what it is. But for now, let's look at what the market is saying. So God is bullish. God is bullish at the moment, and God wants to retest this level at 1.2100. So this is where gold wants to go. Abi? No, sorry, 1.2300. Yes, so you see 1.2300. So gold, I'm projecting that gold wants to make 750, 769 pips to the upside. That's huge for that's if this is gonna happen, that's gonna be huge, a huge pips for Euro USD to the upside. And guys, trust me, you don't want to miss out on this trade. That's if it's going to happen, because the chart pattern I'm seeing here, I want to see a clear push, like a clear breakout of this level. I want to see a clear breakout of this level. Then I'll go. I'm in bullish for this market, and I want to see a clear breakout so that I can add more positions to my position. So I want to see a good breakout. Then I want to see. I will Once the market is around here, I will be adding another position. Then here, then bro. Euro USD is gone. If this happens, it's a game of probability. I'm excited, and at the same time, I know, I know this guy. This guy can't just do like this, and you know, you're going to be so deep. Deeper Life Ministry won't be able to. Sorry, I mean no harm. I didn't call anybody. I'm just giving an analogy if that's your church. So I'm just trying to paint a scenario. So I didn't say anything about you. Nothing, please. Don't come for me. Don't come for me. I'm just trying to say that the market will be so deep. You understand? It will go so deep. Yeah, but it's not bad, it's not bad. And I think that's all for this guy. But for now, guys, keep it easy. Don't stress yourself. If the market is not red yet ready, don't stress yourself. Yes, I'm talking to you. If open your ear. If the market is not yet ready, don't stress yourself. I'm telling you the truth. This is coming from experience. Do not stress yourself. Man, I know say I know one now. Do not stress yourself. Allow the market. If you're a day trader, that's fine. If you're not a day trader, you're a swing trader like me, that's fine. Do not stress yourself. Go to other things. They're not swear for you to look your screen. Yeah, it's not good for your eyes either. If you're not using glasses, it's not good for your eyes. Don't stress. Don't always be in front of your screen. That's how you'd be emotionally attached to the chat that you won't be able to stay. Just go chill. Go chill. So we're talking about psychology. So we'll be talking about risk management. Very, very important. Risk management is very, very important. However, I have to stop here, guys. I know this video has been so, so, so lengthy. And I believe that you've gotten one or two things from here. As I'll stop sharing my screen, I have something to say. Please Wow. Thank you very much for listening to me. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. I am happy that you guys stayed until now. I believe that this video has been very, very impactful. And kindly comment what you suggest or what you want me to talk about, and I will be here. I'll be talking about it, guys. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye. I love you guys. I love you. Subscribe and take care of yourself.